You know those pumpkin guts you toss out every year? You're literally throwing away the best part of Halloween because the seeds are gold. Here's the HackStack system for perfect, crispy roasted pumpkin seeds with zero mess. Step 1. Separation. Dump everything, seeds, strings, and pulp, into a large bowl of water. Here's the trick. The seeds float, the gunk sinks. Skim the top with your hands or a slotted spoon, and boom, clean seeds, no slime. Step 2. Drying. Spread the seeds out on a towel and pat them completely dry. This is where most people mess up. Moisture, where you're chewy, not crispy. Give them 20–30 minutes of air drying if you can. Step 3. Flavor. Toss your seeds in a bit of oil and seasoning. Go classic with sea salt, bold with chili lime, or cozy with cinnamon sugar. You can even split your batch and experiment. Science meets snack time. Step 4. Roast. Bake low and slow. 300 Domdig for or 150 dig for 40 minutes, flipping halfway. The slower bake drives out moisture evenly, giving you the perfect crunch. Now you've got a zero-waste, high-protein Halloween snack that smells amazing and tastes even better. Tag your batch with HackStack Halloween and drop your favorite flavor combo below. And don't forget, save this video so you actually remember it next year.